Hey guys, Brady Anderson from Rich Sons RV headquarters here in Grand Island, Nebraska. So today we got this 2022 No Boundaries M106. Let me just walk you around some of the things that really caught my eye on the outside. So we'll start over here. Obviously you got to cook, you got to eat, right? So you got this nice 2-burner propane grill top. And honestly, my favorite thing about this thing, guys, if you take a look, this looks just like a cooler. Just like it. You think you'd put ice in it. Nope. It's an actual fridge inside. So you don't gotta waste time or money going to buy some ice. And then another thing too, while you're cooking, while you're grabbing some drinks out of your nice refrigerator cooler, you put the awning out, and then it's even got bike racks on top. So if you're feeling a little adventurous and you want to go ride a bike through the mountain, absolutely can with this. So those are some things on the outside that I liked. Let's head inside. I'll show you around in there. See what you think. So as we came inside, as you can see, I'm lounging here. I'm comfortable. I got this nice table. So when you just got done cooking outside, come in here, eat it right here. It's a nice level for you. Back here, you got the 32-inch flat screen TV. It's nice to have. I understand you're camping, but it's still nice to have a TV. And then behind the TV, you got plenty of storage for all your clothes, movies, all that kind of stuff, etc. And then honestly, my favorite thing about the inside is just the size of the AC. Because on those hot days, and you just want to get cooled down quick, this guy will do that for you. And as another thing, I'm nice and comfortable in here. Maybe I have the TV on, I'm eating, and I still got plenty of leg room in here. It's just, looks can be deceiving. So if this is the guy for you, if you're feeling a little adventurous, want to get out, super easy, just hook up and go, you give me a call. Brady Anderson here at Rich Sons RV headquarters in Grand Island, Nebraska.